Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I know you guys have said this before, it's very odd that I am doing projects on my stove, but it's only because I just did a whole video DIY Gallerie and for my whole table setup, and I have no room. That's the only place I could really do stuff, and so right now I'm gonna show you. Now, if you saw my other video and you saw I had half of this and I cut one half and I spray painted it gold. So this side, I decided I want to spray paint the silver so that I'll have silver and gold. So that's where I'm going to start today. I am going to, I'd like to have the option to do silver and gold. Excuse the way I look. I have no makeup. My makeup's all smeared. I haven't got any sleep. Okay, and this is my second thing that I wanted to show you. Now, everything is inspired by Gallerie. Now, if you go to Gallerie, you notice they have tree branches. Now, I just saw them online, and then this is the best I could do. I literally went to my neighbor's, and I had to, break the tree, and I was afraid I was going to get in trouble. So I put two of these together. I thought these were really neat. I picked off the things. So I'm going to show you some options. Now, of course, Galleries are much huger, and they do it different ways. So you can keep them like this, for one, and use them as, put them in a vase, kind of as flowers. You can leave it as sticks. The other option is this. I bought these foam flowers. They have different sizes at thedollarking.net. And you could actually just glue, you see how neat that looks? You can glue them on the branches. That's another option. And then the other option I've seen them do is they actually set them down and they use these. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, and they use them for candle holders. Maybe I might turn it this way. But I noticed, I don't know where you put this. They have them inside the branches, and they use these. So, that doesn't look good right now because this isn't the right branch, but I'm just giving you ideas of what you can do with this. So right now what I'm going to do is spray paint this silver. You could do it gold or silver. Today is going to be a silver day. Yesterday I did gold, all gold. Okay. I'm actually going to go walk around the neighborhood and look for bigger branches, but I think what I did, $100, you can get branches for free. Look how beautiful that looks. There's two other options, or another option. You could also add the white, or you can paint them silver and add the silver, or you can leave it like this. I'm just going to be doing a few little projects. I'm showing you different ideas that you can do inexpensive and for free. And I just thought this was a really great idea. Okay, so let's let that dry and I will get back to you in a few minutes. Okay, so these are dry and I put them in here for now. Look how pretty they look. And then this I already had. I actually just spray painted it right now to match. And I just love the way it looks. So I'm going to add this in there because it needs to be thicker. But I'm also going to do this vase Galleries. This is all going to be a Gallerie style dupe. But I also wanted to add these white flowers. And I got these at the Dollar King, where I get a lot of stuff because I'm really liking their store. So I'm just going to randomly place these. I also got little ones. I actually was going to do really, you guys would have went crazy over this dupe. I saw something at the 99-cent store that it would have looked exactly like one of the box paintings from Z Gallerie. When I went back, I didn't have money that day. When I went back, they were all gone, and I went to every 99-cent store looking for them, and I couldn't find them. I was so mad. You guys would have went crazy over them, but I kind of wanted to just like be a little bit fuller. Okay, I have finished with these flowers and the tree. And I'm going to do this. I also purchased this at the Dollar Tree, and it was white, and I did spray paint it. The spray paint got a little messy from being handled and stuff, but I'm going to go over it. And then what I want to do is I'm going to take one of these, and I'm just going to glue that on right now. Maybe I should just give it a quick spray first. And I'm going to put this in them. And then when I have it all set up, you're going to love it. Hello. Excuse me, I'm back. And I'm ready to finish our project. So let's get it finished. So what we're going to do here is start gluing this just around the rim. Excuse me. Bring it over here. That don't follow my channel, I just said on a recent DIY that I was going to get a mirror, and I did not make a video of it because I just laid it on there, and then I had to cover the back because actually that's a long story, the cutter he messed up, but it looks beautiful and I like it. And so here, you know, I love the way this tree came out. It came out absolutely stunning. It looks fantastic. It's just beautiful. And then I don't know if I showed you these little beads. I end up putting these little beads around there, and I just love the way you can see the branch through. and that it's silver. And then this at the bottom I thought was really cool. You know, you have to take that out or just let it die out. But, you know, they don't last that long anyways. I just thought it was a pretty cool thing. So I just lit all the candles, and I'm not sure if I mentioned this. Remember when I first spray painted the thing? It's right here. The runner, well, the homemade runner, and I think it looks great. I'm in love with it. It looks fabulous. I've been looking and looking for something to put here, and I think that it's perfect. I think everything right here in the middle goes perfect. I'm very pleased with the way it came out with all the flowers and the silver. I'm glad I didn't cover the glass. I'm happy with that. And I just wanted it more simple because I wanted, this was the show. As in Z Gallerie, when they do theirs, that's the beautiful thing is the branches. They're just gorgeous. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a simple, but yet, you know, elegant and beautiful arrangement. So, simple as can be. What did this cost? A few bucks. So you guys can do this, just pick some things out of your yard and, you know. But, so that's it. I just want to give you better shots. And, go up here. Did I mention that this beautiful, humongous candle I got from the 99-cent store? I'm like, wow, they're really coming up. These big ones are like, they can be up to $20. They don't normally sell them at dollar stores. I was like, I grabbed it. Actually, should have got the other one, but they're coming up in the world. I think it's because of us YouTubers and that, you know, they're getting really popular with crafting. I think they're starting to get a lot of better quality things. So it's a lot of fun, you guys. I hope that I've inspired you to make stuff. And you see how it's not all that hard. Some things are hard, but, you know, this was a fun and simple, easy project. And so let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think of the flowers. What would you have done? Would you have kept the branches the same? Would you have added the flowers? Would you have turned them silver? What would you do, in your opinion? I would just be curious of what you would do. We'll, in the future, do another vase. I do want to make an effort and try and make a vase that they have there. So anyways, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will, of course, see you very soon. Well, not see you, you're going to see me. Okay, bye-bye, and thank you for watching.